Alright guys, you're here again with Ruben Dub Mechanic. Today we have a 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. You can see it, LE, LS. And complaint the customer had was a no starting problem. Before you guys go changing the starter, which is down up in that hole somewhere, and it's a really pain in the butt, you want to go to this access panel right here. Let's see here. Get this off here. And down inside this access panel, see there's another cover. That's what's called a starter relay. Unfortunately, I already changed it, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. It's right there. It's this girl right here. That is the starter relay. What happened is it was sticking. Went to advance. That's the part number right there. Y'all see that? Let's check it out. I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, I opened it up. This is what a starter relay looks like. Four little prongs on it. And as you can see on this side here, see the wires right there. You press in on that. You press in on that and this car starts up. That is the problem. This relay for some reason wasn't energizing. So I changed it out. Put another one in there. And voila. It started up. So once again, before you go changing the starter, 2005 Chevy Trailblazer, do a little research, check, and make sure you got voltage to the starter relay. Alright, later.